Welcome to Ancient Rome. The next few slides will offer different resources on the geography of ancient Rome to help you answer the essential question, how did geography shape people's lives? The few slides that you will see are an introduction, a lesson, and a wrap-up activity. Your task is to complete each introduction, lesson, and wrap-up activity before turning in your assignment in your Google Classroom. In order to begin, click the Introduction tab to take you to the first activity. Now, looking at this activity, I notice that there's an image that doesn't look quite right. The reason why is that it is pixelated, which blurs the clarity of the image. The following pixelated image depicts the geography of Rome. You're going to use this list. Now, the word list is underlined for a specific reason. It is hyperlinked to an actual list of different geographical features that you can use to help you answer this activity. So, use this list of different features to guess which specific features are in the image. Try your best. In order to complete it, double-click each add word here in quotation marks to make your guesses. So you're going to have to get out of present mode in order to complete this activity. When you do that, double-click each of the 5 add word here's to make your guess of which geographical feature is in this image. When you have made 5 total guesses, you can move on to the lesson activity. You do so by clicking the lesson activity tab at the top. In this lesson, you're going to be reading a text called Italy's Varied Geography and Natural Advantages. The first thing that pops out to me is the word advantages. Advantages means it's going to help the people of Italy. Keep that in mind because you're going to read the following text on Italy's varied geography and natural advantages. Highlight any information in the color of your choice that explain how Italy's geography affected the people's lives. Now, it could be positively affecting their lives or negatively affecting their lives. You can make the choice. I would highlight both as it's going to help you understand how the geography shaped the people's lives. When you are done reading and highlighting this text, and you're going to have to complete this out of present mode, you can then go to the wrap-up activity by clicking the tab at the top. Now, this should look really familiar. It's a texting conversation. In this activity, your best friend wasn't at school when we learned about Italy's varied geography. You're going to notice that your friend texted you at 11:30 a.m. by saying, "Hey, totally missed the social studies today. Did I miss anything important?" Then they go on to say, how did Rome's geography shape people's lives? Now it's going to be your task. You're going to see that you have 2 blank blue text bubbles. You're going to answer your friend's text in only 2 bubbles. It's a challenge. Use the text on the previous slide to help you answer this question. You'll also notice that you can add one last text from your friend as a concluding statement for this conversation. When you have completed this text conversation, you are done with today's lesson on the geography of ancient Rome.